All right. So, first of all, I'm assuming that all of you are sitting in a comfortable posture. आप टेका भी लगा सकते हो, आप कुशन पे भी कुशन का भी सपोर्ट ले सकते हो अंडर योर नी. Also, you can sit on a chair, but just don't keep your legs hanging. पैरों को लटका के मत रखना, जमीन पे ड्रॉप करके रखिए. अगर आप बेड के ऊपर बैठ के कर रहे हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर आप बैठ के नहीं भी कर सकते हो तो आप लेट के भी कर सकते हो. Let's not be rigid in exploring the some subtle element that we are not aware. So with that instruction, I'm assuming you all are settled in your posture. So all you have to do is just follow my instruction as it is. So sit down in any comfortable posture. स्थिर सुखम आसन, जो एक पोस्चर या एक आसन की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि जो आसन में आप बैठे हो, जो पोस्चर में आप बैठे हो, उसमें स्थिरता होनी चाहिए और स्टेबिलिटी और सुखदाई, यानी कि आपको कंफर्टेबल लगना चाहिए. बिकॉज कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा, योर माइंड will not let you focus on meditation. All right. So everybody, let's start. Correct your posture. Roll your shoulder and drop them, and lift your spine. Spine lift करके back muscles को ढीला छोड़ दो. If you are holding your shoulder up, then just drop them. Back muscles को बिल्कुल ढीला और उसके natural जो posture है उसी में छोड़ दो. It's just that you're not slouching. That's it. Adjust your knees however you want to. Back muscles loose and relaxed. Palms, you can either keep them open facing upward towards the sky, or you can assume a Jnana Mudra. Tip of your thumb and index finger touching each other gently. ज़्यादा press नहीं करना है. And just keep them on your knee. Now, allow your body to settle down. Adjust your posture if you need to during the practice. If you need to feel, if you feel the need to adjust, do so with minimum movement. Take a long deep breath in, and with exhalation, just close your eyes. Again, do not force your eyes. Just close them. If they are not ready to close, it's okay. Now, take long deep breath in and out through your eyes. Imagine as if you're breathing through your eyes. Breathe in and out through your eyes. Breathe in and out through your eyes so that your eyes are gently closed. Now, move your awareness through various body parts, joints and muscles, and just relax them. Do not hold any of your body part tightly. Relax your feet, your ankle joint, lower legs, knee joints, thighs, hip joint, back and shoulder, neck joint, both your arms, right from palm to shoulder. Head and facial muscles relaxed. Now, bring your awareness on your breathing. Watch your breath as you inhale and as you exhale. Do not try to change your breathing pattern. Just watch yourself how you're breathing. Even if it is shallow, it's okay. Continue watching few breaths. Today in this session, we are going to explore space element, that is Akash Tattva. Ether, one of the 5 elements, one of the Panchabhuta. Space relates to the quality of vastness, openness, and emptiness. It gives us freedom to move. A very subtle element which we have rather never explored before. So let's take this opportunity and try to experience this subtle energy. Continue following my instruction. Take your awareness on the top of your head and feel the space over the top of your head. आपके सर के ऊपर जो स्पेस एलिमेंट है, जो जगह है, जो खालीपन है, उसे एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए. Feel the space on the right side of your body. Feel the space on the left side of your body. Feel the space beneath your body. And feel the space around the shape of your body, the whole shape of your body. Feel the space between your toe fingers of both your feet. पैरों की उंगलियों के बीच में जो जगह है, जो खाली स्पेस है, जो खालीपन है, उसे महसूस कीजिए. Feel the space on the tips of your feet. Feel the space on your lap. Feel the space behind your kneecap. घुटनों के पीछे जो जगह है, feel that. Feel the space on your palm in the center. Feel the space between your fingers, between your palm fingers. Feel the space around the tips of your fingers. Feel the space where your lower and upper arm meet, just above your elbow joint. Feel the space under your arm. Feel the space around your throat and neck. Feel the space behind your forehead on the left side, कपाल मस्तिष्क के पीछे. Feel the space behind your forehead on your right side. Feel the space right into the center of your forehead. Feel the space that is holding your eyes, that is holding both your eyes. Feel the tiny space in the corner of your eyes. Feel the subtle space where your upper and lower eyelids meet. Feel the space inside your ears, right and left both. Feel the space inside both your ears, the hollow space. Feel the space behind your ears. Feel the space around the shape of your left ear. Feel the space around your shape of your right ear. Feel the space inside both your nostrils. Feel the space inside your mouth, around your tongue. The space above your tongue, below your tongue, on the right side and left side of your tongue. Feel the space inside your throat. Around your throat. Feel the space between your upper and lower lip. Feel the space on your crown, the topmost part of our body. Feel the space around your lower head. Feel the space inside your skull. Breathe in and out through your skull. Breathe in and out through your skull. Breathe in and out through your skull. Feel the space all around you, upside, downside, right and left side. Feel the space 2 feet below your body. अपने शरीर के 2 फीट नीचे जो जगह है, जो खालीपन है, उसे फील कीजिए. The feeling of lightness has already started experiencing. Feel the space in the room where you are sitting and practicing meditation just now. Connect with the sound in your environment. The loudest sound that you can hear in your surrounding, connect with that sound. Connect with the softest or the subtlest sound that you can hear. Bring both your palms together at your chest level. And feel the space between both your palms. Rub them very nicely. And cover your eyes with your palms. Now feel the space between your eyes and your palm. We have completed our meditation. You can open your eyes with a gentle smile. So,
Wonderful experience, Shifa. It was difficult to open the eyes.
I would suggest कि आप लोग बातें मत कीजिए and just maybe you'll have an experience कि आप जब सो के उठोगे आपको बहुत ही light feel होगा. I'm sure right now also अगर आपने अच्छे से किया तो you would start feeling, this technique is working at the back of your mind, your subconscious mind. It has already started working. और आपको इतना lightness feel होगा और आपको नींद भी इतनी अच्छी आएगी and you will wake up so fresh and it is everything that we make you practice, it's coming from our experience, what we have already practiced. So right now, everyone just log off, no talking, and try to maintain some 5 minute silence. And अगर आपको feedback देना है, अगर अच्छा लगा और फिर से हम repeat कर सकते, तो you can put it in the group. All right. So see you all. Good night, and we'll meet for our next challenge. Yeah. Bye bye. Pratibha, you stay.